Next stop, Cuba. Land of vibrant culture and stunning landscapes. Number 1 on your list should be Havana's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Step 2, immerse yourself in the live music scene, it's the heart of Cuban culture. Third, don't miss Varadero Beach, your perfect sun, sand and sea escape. Fourth, experience the tobacco fields of Vinales Valley, where world-class cigars begin. Lastly, savor authentic Cuban cuisine, from ropa vieja to tostones. So pack your bags and brace yourself for an unforgettable Cuban adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.